Due to Gorilla Tag releasing their new space map, everybody has been claiming their own planet. So me and Railfan decided to claim our own planet together.
Yep.
And I'm going to show you where you can find our planet. So first, jump down here and look over to this little solar system thing.
Sources thing.
I don't even know what it is. And you'll see this blue planet thing. And this planet is called Planet Aquafan, due to the collaboration between Railfan and Aqua.
My idea, by the way. Okay, that was my idea.
Subscribe to join the Aquafan army thing, whatever.
Hooray!